English women to have power over man, but over themselves. By this beautiful quotation, a very warm good morning to respective dignitaries. We are here from the Government Degree College for Women's India. We are ready to present our research project, The Novels of Indian Women Author History. This Jignasa student study project from the Department of English. This project done under the supervisor lecturer Smita Madam from the Department of English. I am Shriya Kumari from DCC. Second year, the introduction of the project. The seed of Indian writing was planted during the time of British rule in India. This seed presently grown into an action created by the growers generally organic products. These organic products are being tasted by the local industries and they are also being picked and processed by the outsiders. The early novels in India imitated the Western novel in presence of plot construction, characterization and narrative technique in split of many Indian novels in English has definitely taken many steps forward after the first World War. Writers like Shashi Deshpande, Kiran Desai, Geeta Maheta, Mahasweta Devi, etc. have made the feministic and women author popular in the world. Objectives: conduct a comprehensive review on the existing literature on Indian women authors and their work, with special focus on characters. Identify the specific behavior displayed by these protagonists. Examine how readers both within India and globally perceive and react to these protagonists. This will be continued by my post-scholar.
I am Meghna from BTC second year. Scope of the study. The concept of novels of Indian women authors refers to the characters of Indian women in which the characteristics can be linked to ideas such as assertiveness, individualism, independence, or non-conformity. This includes globalization, urbanization, and education. The significance of studying novels of independence, novels of Indian women authors, study is interplay between literature, culture, and societal change. It illuminates how these characters serve as agents of empowerment and how the stories might be inspire readers. This will be continued with my post-war.
I am Akia from DCC. Second year, research methodology. Select a representative sample of novels authored by Indian women that feature protagonists. Perform a detailed textual analysis of these novels to identify instances, protagonisms, character development, interactions, and thematic elements. These analyses will be qualitative in nature and will involve close reading and thematic coding. Develop character profiles for the protagonists identified in the novels. This will be continued with my co-scholars.
I am Manasa from BTC second year. Shashi Deshpande is one of the novels, The Long Silence, describes the fictional account of conditions of women in 20th century. It explores the protagonist character Jaya, who resolves her problems by temporary withdrawal and achieves it only after breaking the long silence. Kamalada's one of the novelist Maishri describes to recount her trials in childhood, marriage, and painful self-awakening to her infant consciousness. She also talks about her struggles in public as a poet. Anita Desai, one of the novelists, feasting and fasting deals with the themes of deprivation and abundance. Fasting is the intentional abstaining from food to commune God's presence. Feasting is the joyful and celebratory response to God's experience, faithfulness, and provision. Mahasweta Devi is one of the novelists. Yudali deals with the themes of courage, education, and family relationship is more important than money. Udali is the Hindu girl name meaning rape. Udali is the touching tale of women whose life is fought for the poverty of many. This will be continued with my post-call.
I am Meghna from BTC second year. 20th century writing a new area with the writing many famous Indian women writers suffering the discrimination they face in the society and the way in their family life. Some of the most common themes in modern Indian literature are identity crisis, feeling alone, women engagement culture. The intellectuals in India before independence concentrated on the national awakening and society in a realistic manner. The phenomenon which reflects the intersection of the concentration on a evolving role in the Indian society. This will be continued with my post-call. the freedom movement led by Mahatma Gandhi became an all-Indian experience. Indian novel in English was affected by socio-political during 1930s onwards. The writers such as attempted to explore the contemporary Indian society from their specific views without distorting the reality. These are the references. We are feeling great to participate in this project. Thank you for this golden opportunity.